Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and hey, this is one that came by way of Ferengi from Australia. Thank you very much. This is Indomie. This is a soupy one. This is not a mee goreng. This is Soto Lamongan. And this is part of their regional series. This is from Java. And yeah. So we are going to add the stuffings. Very good, quieter though. Here's our seasoning, the powder, and that. Okay. So we're going to drop all this stuff in. It is a zoop. A zoop. And I was requested the showing of it actually cooking on the stove. So I guess that's what I can do now. You don't get to see me anymore. You get to watch that. But I don't mind. That's fine. I don't have to primp my hair or... Yeah, you can watch... Oh, that means you can watch it boil over if it does tend to do so. I guess. No, I wouldn't do that. Never let it boil over. But yeah, not hard to do. Yeah, so this is the fourth one I'm doing today, and then I've got more to do tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day. So this will end up being, I believe, review 4759. It's August 21st, and by September 6th, I'd really like to get to review 7,800. So that's my goal. And then once the kids are back in school on that date, yeah, I'm not going to do the show for a while. But rest assured, there's episodes currently all the way up. I believe this one will come out on January 9th. So, yeah. And it's August. It's the end of August. Think of that. Think of how far ahead I am. I'm like 200 reviews ahead almost. Isn't that ridiculous? Wow. But yeah, I'm going to go back on my walking rampage. A couple months ago, well, I did 3 months, I think it was between March and June. Is that it? I think it was March 4th to June 4th, or April 4th to June 4th, something like that. In 92 days, I lost 56 pounds. So, did that. And then summer hit, and that kind of got difficult. And then I'm gonna go and hit that hard again, and yeah. It's fun. I enjoy it thoroughly. My feet do too. It takes a little while for my feet to get used to doing all that walking. I do like 15 miles a day. It works. Diet, exercise, fun, fun, fun. Yeah. And if you need to do such a thing, if I can do it, you can frickin' do it. Christ, I'm legally blind. I can't see for nothing. If you don't have legs or a face or hair or eyeballs or anything, you know, that's a different story. But you can do something, I don't know. Stop harassing me. Okay, so here we are. It's just not fair. No, it's not. Here's our noodle, and we're going to add in our, let's go with the messy stuff first. Looks like we got a seasoned oil and a sweet chili oil, chili sauce. Chili sauce, not a chili oil. So, not make, ow. Attempt to not make... I tell ya, all these companies in Indonesia, I know you want to make them so they don't make a mess, but you know, it's very hard for me. It's like, I don't want to get this stuff all over my fingers. It's like everybody loves mayonnaise. Cool, rich, refreshing, especially on a hot summer day. Nice cold jar of mayo with a straw. But nobody wants to touch it. Am I right? Oh, you do want to touch the mayonnaise. Well, that's a different thing. That's a horse of a different color, as they say. And we got some seasoning. And this sachet also is being a pain in the butt. Let go. See how it's clumped like that? That's no big deal. That's just because it was smushed. Sometimes if you, like the, what do you call it? Like an oil sachet? You're like, it's all white and hard. It's like, that's because it's cold, dude. Don't freak out. Now we've got this stuff, the Soto koya. Yeah. This is just like a powder, but it acts as like a thickener. I think that's the whole deal. I try to get these things right, but I don't always. So if you can make a comment, if you know all about koya, that would be really nice. Broth looks nice. Our noodle. I don't want that much noodle. I don't have command of the noodle. There. Command you. Nice. And there's our broth. And boy, that's a tricky one. There's a little bit of heat. A little bit of kind of lime. I don't think it's supposed to be beef. I almost get that kind of marrow thing going on. I don't know. I think it's chicken though, so we'll use the chicken bowl. Come on, chicken bowl. Chicken bowl, chicken bowl. And I really don't have much of great options for garnish. You see, we're out of chicken. Some spring onion. There, for our friend, whoever he is, there's our unhealthy amount of spring onion. Ooh, that's nice. Crushed red pepper. And what the hey, a little bit of sesame seed. And that, my friend, is the last one I'm doing today. I got work to do. There we are. Cheers! that's it for me. Thanks for watching. And if you want to support the channel, you can go ahead and get a membership. If you don't have to. So, yeah. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.